Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change ringtone volume on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A01 Core and settings. Go to sounds and vibration. And sounds and vibration, okay, you can see the volume. Okay, tap the volume. Here in volume, you can see the ringtone. And okay guys, to change the ringtone volume, you'll have to do is tap the adjustment and slide to the left to low the volume. And you can adjust to the right to high the volume. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully changed ringtone volume on Samsung Galaxy A01 Core. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.